Welcome you all to my channel Let's Learn. Dear students, in the last part, means part 1, I have already discussed Lencho's cornfield was completely destroyed. He became extremely upset. How he and his family will live for a year. He lost all his hopes of getting a single corn from his cornfield. And he had only one hope, that is help from God. And he decided to write a letter to God. And in the last session, I have already told you that the next Sunday, just at the daybreak means early in the morning, he started writing a letter to God and went to the town to place the mail, to place the letter in the mailbox. Now we will discuss what he had written in his letter. In his letter, he had written, God, the hailstorm had completely destroyed my cornfield. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live with my family for a year. Please send me 100 pesos. And he continued his letter like this. Now you see, in his letter he had focused, or he had demanded 100 pesos from God. Then he carried this letter and went to the town to drop the letter in the mailbox. And when he reached the post office, he bought a postage stamp and affixed it on the envelope and dropped in the mailbox. Now, see the picture. Lencho at the post office. And just after that, the postman, who was an employee of that post office, he went to the mailbox and brought the letter. And when he saw the address written on the envelope, that is to God, he broke out laughing hard. That means he could not stop his laugh. And then he showed that letter to his boss. Boss means the head of that post office, means the postmaster. And when the postmaster saw the letter, he also broke out laughing. But suddenly he became serious and tapping the letter on his desk, he thought, what a great faith on this man, on God, of this man on God. And then an idea came to his mind. He did not want to shake his faith on God. He wanted to fulfill Lencho's faith on God. So what did he decided? What did the postmaster decided to do? He decided that he will help Lencho anyhow. So he collected some money from his friends and relatives, some money from his fellow employees, and he also gave part of his salary. His friends shared their money to the postmaster only as an act of charity. Act of charity means giving something to somebody or someone having no specific interest. That means there is no hope of return. They will not take something as a return. That is only sacrifice. Then the postmaster put the money in an envelope and wrote a letter, only a single word as a signature got. And then on the envelope he wrote the address Lencho, to Lencho. The following Sunday, Lencho came again to that post office to inquire whether there is any letter to him. And on this Sunday, he came a bit early as usual. And when Lencho came to the post office, immediately the postman handed over the letter to Lencho. And the postmaster was experiencing the contentment of Lencho. How Lencho was feeling, what Lencho was feeling. But when Lencho received the letter from the postman, he did not show any single surprise or a slightest surprise, did not show any emotion. But after counting the money, when he found it was only 70 pesos, suddenly he became angry. And he thought, God could not have made a mistake. God would not have denied. Perhaps it is the work of the post office employees. So he thought to write another letter to God. So he went to the window of the post office and asked for paper and ink and went to the public writing table. Public writing table, one thing you must remember. In different offices there are some tables and chairs meant for the general public. The general public go there and use that chair and table for writing something. And on that writing table, Lencho wrote a letter. While he was writing, there was a wrinkle on his brow. That means he was completely upset. He was completely dissatisfied because he needed 100 pesos, but he received 70 pesos. So in the second letter he wrote, God, I had asked for 100 pesos, but I got 70 pesos. Please send me the rest as I needed it urgently. But you will not send the rest by mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Now you see, what do you think? Are the post office employees really a bunch of crooks? No. You see, the postmaster, who was a very amiable person, wanted help Lencho, collected some money, but he was unable to collect 100 pesos. It was only 70 pesos. He wanted to help him, but after his help, Lencho wrote the just opposite thing. This is all about the second part and the last part of your lesson, A Letter to God. Now you see the difficult words, mark it, note it down and remember it. Thank you all. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get the new notifications of my videos. Thank you.